A very warm welcome to the weekly Forex forecast from the tradingmentors.com. This is the weekly Forex forecast for the 13th of January. Just want to cover a couple of things before I crack on, if you don't mind. And there's been a few questions regarding the gold on steroids software. All the links are below, by the way, which is amazing. And what happened pre-non-farm payroll, which was on Friday, just gone. We had a sell signal with an entry price 2676.86. We had a stop loss of 2682.21, a target 2671.51, 2666.15. So I'm just going to replay this. So what happens on the gold on steroids system? It's AI generated, so artificial intelligence is measuring the liquidity in the market. That's the first thing, which is the number 3 level here, which you can see hopefully. And we have a big fat sell signal here. Everything goes red for a sell, background for a red for a sell. You can see that, and green for a buy. Very, very simple and straightforward. The gold on steroids system gives you the entry price, it gives you the stop loss, it gives you the first target, second target, third target. So if you don't have it, you can get it. If you don't want it, that's fine. So let's see what happened on Friday. And there's been a few questions coming in, so I really want to cover those, which is important to me. During the NFP data coming through, the market is very volatile. So we actually took a quick profit down here. There was 3 targets, remember 2 of them were hit, and I took my profit on the second target. And then we had a big fat buy signal at, what time was that? 13:40, 10 minutes later. 13:50, 13:55, something like that. Big fat buy signal here, a level 3 signal again here. So as quickly as it went down, you banked 100, 150 pips there. Then you went long here with a stop price of 2675.21. Target 1, 2685.93, 2691.29, 2696.65. So it tells you where it's going, it tells you the direction, it tells you when to buy, where your stop is, and where your targets are. So let's see what happened. You can probably guess if you've seen the markets from Friday. And our target was hit within probably an hour there. Target was hit within about 5 minutes here. So it's a fantastic system that helps you on your way on your trading journey. Welcome to the weekly Forex forecast. And I'm going to run through the markets quickly. There are some fantastic markets getting ready for you. And I'm going to cover those now if I can get the right chart up. So here's the Advanced Pro charts, which I'm using here. Now, for those who've not seen me on YouTube before, or where have you been? On the left is the daily chart. We have all the buys in on the left. Everything green, buy. Everything sell. Everything red, sell. That's how it works. So on the DXY, we have an entry price of 109.00. We have a target of 111.19. And we have a further target of 113.37. So the first target for this week is 111.19. So stronger dollar is in play. Now we do have weaker yen futures, but it's looking fairly mixed actually. I mentioned this on Friday on the full market analysis. This is no longer parabolic. The buyers are stepping in here, so we're going to switch that off from red. Whenever there's a parabolic trend, the most powerful trend there is in the market, then we have a red flag on the right on the watch list and a green flag. That's how it works. So let's look at the Swiss franc futures. We have an entry price of 11065 and the price is heading down, heading for 10844. So a weaker Swiss franc futures usually indicates that the price on the Swiss franc pairs is going to go up. Cover that in the next few minutes. Anything that's parabolic I will be covering. The S&P 500 is parabolic to the downside. We don't have a signal yet, but we're probably going to get a break of structure on Monday or Tuesday. UK FTSE 100, if you're in it, should be in it by now. Entry price 8230.94. Target for this week 8395.56. Heading for if I can see that, 8560. 8560 is that one. Great opportunities coming up, guys, so make some notes as you go along. This is parabolic to the down, Hang Seng. However, no signals yet, so we wait for that signal. Now the Aussie 200 index looks good. It had an entry price down here at 82.03. As long as the market structure holds, then you can get into this anytime. Target is 8367.26, heading for this week's target 8531.33. DAX, a similar situation. Notice the green on the watch list. Notice everything's green on the left as well. And so we just buy it. Doesn't matter what happens. We have our stops in place. So entry price 2139.47, heading for 2542.26, and then 294.05. We're only looking at parabolic trends, don't forget. So I'm not skipping the Dow Jones for any reason except that it's not trending in our view. So a nice entry price here at 29.41 on silver. If you're into silver, this is a great opportunity. A target for this week is met the two targets, hasn't it? One target there, one target there. Congratulations, members, if you have traded silver, heading for $31.18. Don't forget, if you want to be a VIP member, then just click on the links below in the description. Everything is there for you to take advantage of. Special discounts as well if you want them. If you don't worry. If you're not serious about trading, please do not buy anything. So this is oil. Yeah, entry price $76.44. It's hit first target $77.98, heading to $79.51, and then on to $81. Gold, further upside momentum is likely. We do have a parabolic trend, which is beautiful. Big fat buy signal on the daily chart and change of character back here. Entry price 26.34 and hit target 26.86. Next target for this week 27.39.41. Euro dollar to the downside, nice new entry. So congratulations if you've been selling the euro dollar for a while. The change of character was up here somewhere, and it's just continued. If you have the advanced pro charts, then you just get in and just trail the stop on the top of the resistance line. Very easy. Entry price 103.03 and heading for this week's target of 100.95. Similar situation for sterling. Sterling is very weak at the moment, so it's an opportunity to buy sell any pullbacks, any kind of pullback. Then look to sell the pound USD. Entry price 12394, and then heading for 121.40, and then on to 11896. Aussie 200 is also parabolic to the downside, very strong trend. So entry price on the breaker structure here, 62.08, heading for 68.4, and then on to 59. Can't see that with my big fat head in the way. 59.59. So that's this week's target. Need to move me out of the way. US Swiss, of course, is parabolic to the upside. Dollar is strong. We have a fresh buy on the DXY, so that's going to continue. I mean, we find that Monday mornings there's low volume, of course, across the world because they're waiting for New York. But I'll have a quick look at 6 a.m. in the morning for VIP members. See if there's any opportunities. So entry price 9113, and then heading for first target this week 92.95. Pound Aussie to the downside, nice new entry here on the breaker structure and heading for 196.27. Euro Canadian to the downside, nice new entry price back here. If you're a member or if you've got the advanced pro charts, then you will know that and you'll be trading it, of course. And target is 146.29. First target hit on the pound Canadian. I do expect a pullback, as I mentioned, on the sterling. So any kind of pullback, look to sell. Target for this week is down here, and it is 173.18. Pound New Zealand is to the downside, parabolic, as you can see on the left. All the sellers are in. Entry price 22157 and heading for 21714. Hope you're making notes, because it's going to be a busy week. Lots of profits to be made here. Entry price on, what is this, Aussie New Zealand to the upside. Not parabolic here. We've got some sellers coming in, so I'm switching that one off. I will look at it on Monday just to see if the buyers step in. If they do, then we'll be going long on this. Canadian Swiss to the upside. This is interesting because at the end of the day, the Swiss franc futures is weak, and so therefore this tends to go up. So buying opportunities coming up on that. Heading for target of 63.85. Pound New Zealand, a nice fresh entry point here. Break of structure, and price is heading for our target, which is 107.99. Swiss yen looks good. Entry price 172.45. Target is 169.06. New Zealand yen to the downside. This is based upon a stronger yen futures. May happen. I did mention it earlier. The buyers are starting to step in. It's not parabolic, but these are trading opportunities. And yes, everything's selling on the left. Parabolic trend, but fairly mixed actually on the daily. Nonetheless, we can take our profits to 86.69. Canadian yen, we have an entry here, but I think waiting for Monday is probably a good idea. I want to see the price re-enter at 110.15 and then move up. Target, if it holds on to market structure, is going to be 112.35. Final one for the parabolic trends today, pound yen. I know a lot of you love this in the VIP members room. Selling now, and sterling is weak, and looks like yen futures could go strong. Heading for target number 191.58, and then on to 187.65. So just to highlight, lots going on here and lots of trading opportunities. Sell the pound yen, buy the Canadian yen, sell the New Zealand yen, sell the Swiss yen, sell pound Swiss, but I'm cautious about that. Canadian Swiss buy, Aussie New Zealand we're waiting, pound New Zealand sell, pound Canadian sell, euro Canadian sell, pound Aussie sell, US Swiss buy, Aussie, pound USD, euro USD sell, gold buy. Oil buy, silver buy, DAX buy, Aussie 200 buy, Hang Seng sell, UK FTSE 100 sell, S&P 500 sell. Lots going on, guys. Lots of trading opportunities for this week. Hold on to your horses. It could get fun.